First thing first, what do we need to do here? Now, the problem is that we don't understand the problem. By using the PEMDAS, here we go. Then, here is the bracket parenthesis. We first solve this before going to this. Turn to this, to this, and to this, and to this. Then let's go 6 square minus 2. Solve what is in the jar, that in the bracket. That is 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Plus 20 divide by 4. Okay? Now, to what? To the exponents. That is this. We have, it's not 6 multiplied by 2. It is 6. It means 6 times 6. That is 36. Alright, let us go. Now we have 36 minus, let me write them down. Go plus 20 divide by 4. Now to this. What next? We have this, and this stands for multiplication. And we have division. And first thing, yeah. But the rules say multiplication and division have the same ranks. They have the same priority. What you have, I also have it. What you have, we also have it. If you build a school, I also build a school. We have the same rank. They are like brothers and sisters. Then what do you need to do? They move from left to right. That is 36 minus 2 times 8. That is 16. Right? Plus 20 divided by 4. Okay? Now, the next thing we have again is division. It also moves from left to right. Therefore, let me wipe this up to create a space. Now, we have 36 minus plus 20 divided by 4. Okay, now, here is the equation. We have 36 minus 16 plus 20 divided by 4. That is 36 minus 16. We need to solve for division from left to right. Okay, 16, 20 divided by 4. That is plus 5. Then, look at this case again. Addition, also subtraction. They have the same priority. I have power and you also have power. Then, let us move from left to right. We have 36 minus 16. Don't say 16 plus 5 first. Left to right. 36 minus 16 equals to 20 plus 5. And therefore, 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. And this is your final answer. To learn more about these tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to M-Muak Academy. So, therefore, let the learning go forward and don't stop it.